The big DJI firmware is here for the Mavic 3, and I'm about to go over everything that's in the new firmware. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the exciting day is here. It is officially January 24th, 2022, and with that comes a brand new DJI Mavic 3 firmware update. Now this is the big update that we've been waiting for since the announcement and launch of the drone, so this should complete many of the features that we were missing on launch day. So there's a lot to unpack here, and in this video I'm just going to be going over what is new in the update, and in following videos I'm going to be playing with some of the new features that we have now. So starting with quick shots. So we now have quick shots added, which includes Droney, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Boomerang, and Asteroid. Quick shots are cool, but I'm really excited for this next one. Added panorama mode capable of capturing in high resolution. I do a lot of panoramic type photos for clients and even just for fun, and so now I'm very excited to have this feature on the Mavic 3, and I'm excited to make a video about it. Added burst shooting, added digital zoom for normal video mode, added color display assist for D-Log. I actually saw a lot of people complaining about that because you can actually, with the Mavic 2, shoot in D-Log, but have the display that you're shooting with show color. So now you'll be able to do that with the Mavic 3. Added 4K 60 frames per second in manual EL adjustment for master shots. Added quick transfer. Added zoom and D-Log for focus track when recording video. Added support to set return to home altitude for advanced return to home. Added USB mode for the Mavic 3 Cine version for copying data. Optimizing accuracy for color correction. Increased image sharpness of telecamera when shooting at high magnification. Optimized image area for time-lapse photos. Added support to DJI RC Pro to output clean HDMI footage. Added support for DJI RC Pro to cache video and download original video to an external SD card. Added support to use DJI RC Pro with DJI Air 2S. So I'm sure a lot of you that have that controller are excited about that. And lastly, they fixed some minor bugs. Also to note, added features require DJI Fly app version 1.5.8 or later. USB mode will be disabled after updating firmware. Users can enable USB mode again in DJI Fly app. If the update fails, restart aircraft, remote controller, and DJI Fly or DJI Assistant 2 consumer drone series and retry. So that is very exciting news, and for me personally, I'm really looking forward to panorama mode and also the color display assist for D-Log. That is actually pretty cool. And obviously some of the other stuff I'm excited to look into as well. But I am excited to see that DJI is trying to really complete the Mavic 3, and they're actually staying on track with their deadlines. So that is really cool. So definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm, because I will have a lot more DJI Mavic 3 videos on the way. But I'll see you guys in the next video.